Hey guys, I'm Sean and welcome back to Tool Shop TV. Today we're going to check out the lawnmower blade sharpener kit that also comes with a balancer. And what makes this unique is that this grinding stone goes right into your drill and it has the perfect angle to get the right sharpness on your blade every time. When you're finished, simply place it on top of this balancer and you'll make sure you get it right every time. Alright, now we have the sharpener inside the drill and you can see the perfect edge right there, the perfect angle. Alright guys, now we have the blade inside the vise, so let's give it a new edge. Alright guys, we have the balancer here. Now let's see how we did. Set it right in the center. Let go slowly. That's pretty darn good guys, I think we did it.